again here from Car Key Solutions and OGS Mechanics. A thread that we want to discuss today is again security. We can't stress enough how important and effective new method of security are, and then in the same time are very required, unfortunately, on the present market. What we have done today on this Mercedes Sprinter, we have installed deadlocks. So what does deadlocks do? They prohibit the entrance inside the van by just pressing the remote, opening an extra lock to secure the entrance on the van. But more important than that, on those cars and on today's market, on the keyless system cars, is to have an extra system installed, as we do, to prevent any unauthorized starting by someone cloning the signal on the keyless keys. Is very often seen, unfortunately, quite a very common occurrence. So on this van, what we have done, we have installed a system called Ghost II Immobiliser, and this system will prevent the engine from being started unless a secret code, a combination code, is pressed on the buttons on the steering wheel or even the Windows button. So basically, just to give you an example, it could be like 2 presses on the switch to another. It could be any combination from 4 characters to 17, which will allow the car to start. So this we just give you. So it's a keyless. The keys can sit in the pocket. An engine start is attempt. However, nothing will happen. We're gonna press the secret code combination. We're gonna have a confirmation on a dashboard. The flashlight has indicated the code has been recognized, and now the vehicle will start. Very effective, and this reduced the risk of the van to being stolen by van or car by literally, we say, 99%. Definitely the most effective immobilizer system on the market, and we highly recommend this system to be installed, which will give you an incredible peace of mind. Thanks for watching, and don't forget Car Key Solutions for any car keys and immobilizer requirements you might have. Thanks for watching.